Yeah, so far what we've done is we've stripped the interior out of it. I've pulled the drivetrain out. So now there's nothing hanging out inside of it. Basically what the plan is I'm going to find like a 2002 to 2011 Crown Victoria and take the drivetrain out of that. It should be a pretty close fit. I'll have to do slight modifications to like the oil pan and the oil pickup tube. The transmission should bolt right in nicely. And then we'll kind of see what we can do with the rest of it. Still have a lot of body work to do. I've replaced the rocker on this side. I have to do, sorry for the mess. I have to do some minor metal work down here. This isn't too bad. And then on the driver's side of the vehicle, there's a couple rough spots, but nothing too crazy. And right now I'm in the process of cleaning this section up. It's pretty chewed up, it's pretty bad. And yeah, this is what we've done so far. So enjoy the video. I'll start making some more and you guys can kind of see the progress as we move on. Yeah, you're taking out a bolt out of the intake. Yeah. You can probably spin that out by your hand now. Coming out.
Yep, it's coming out.
All right, pull it all the way out.
Whoa.
Good job. Here. Thanks, buddy. The greatest thing in my life right now.
Yeah, I know. I think we can take that out with my fingernail. Yep, it's out.
Good job. Can you take this bolt out?
No, with this.
Here.
Until you get it, when you can
you go.
do it with your hands, you can do it. Do you need help? Okay, I can help. Are you helping Daddy strip down the interior? Pretty much there. Nothing left. Careful. Straight as an arrow. Good job, buddy.